A heating tune-up, what that consists of is clean out the blower motor, clean out the blower compartment, clean off the flame sensors that you have, and make sure that all the safeties are tripping when they should. What will happen to a heater if you don't tune it up is that the heat exchanger potentially might overheat. You'll start having temperature stress points along the heat exchanger. When we do a heating tune-up, we also make sure to come out and check the air conditioner. We want to turn it on, make sure that equipment is working good, and then if it's not, we're obviously going to give you recommendations of what we can do to help you out.